CapCut template not showing on TikTok app. Hello guys, welcome back to this new short tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. So the fix is very easy actually. All what you wanna do is open the Play Store, and if you have the App Store you can do the same thing. So all what you have to do is go to the top here and search for TikTok like this. Click on the search option, and now all what you have to do is click on this update option to update your TikTok into the latest version, and the problem must be solved. If the problem is not solved yet, even if you update it, this means that you have to remove TikTok from your phone and then re-download it again. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video.